Let us be the light that will lead the people who are blind. Let us be the light for everybody who has lost their way in the darkness. Please, please, sing with me. And let us not get tired of shouting, of believing, of wanting for Tatay Digong to come back home. We, all of us, we will be the ones to bring him home. Taas natin ang ating mga cellphone na merong ilaw. Let us be the light. Yan na. Ganyan. Show the world that we hold the light in our hearts. Nakakakilabot mga kaibigan, kung alam nyo lang kung anong itsura nito, kung ano yung nasa harap namin dito sa entablado ngayon, nakakatayo ng balahibo. So aside from being light, let's sing. Sing this song with me. What is life to offer me when I grow old? What's there to look forward to beyond biting cold? 'Cause they say it's difficult. Yes, stereotypical. What's that beyond sleeping, working this cruel life? Ain't nothing else around here but human strife. Yes, stereotypical. Gotta be conventional. You can't be so radical. So I sing this song to all of my age. For these are the questions we've got to face. For in this cycle when we collide, we are the ones who are missed in life. sa ating mga puso na siya ay uuwi dito sa Pilipinas. Maraming